Today, we will discuss the Code of Civil Procedure for those who want to take the Bar Council MCQ examination in English version. We will discuss in detail the structure of the civil court and the jurisdiction of the civil court. But before I start my lecture, I would like to share a notice with you. Bonafide Law Academy has organized a special English version online short course for the upcoming Bar Council MCQ examinees. This English version online short course has been designed for British law graduates, barristers and students of the private universities, especially those who want to participate in the examination in English version. The classes will start from 1st May of 2026 and 30 classes will be held in this course. Each class shall be provided with a separate lecture sheet and all classes will be held through a Zoom meeting and recordings of all sessions will also be provided. British law students usually have limited knowledge of the legal system of Bangladesh as their education is mainly based on the common law system, which is slightly different from Bangladeshi legal framework. Therefore, it becomes quite difficult for them to take detailed preparation within this limited time. And since the exam is very near, they must adopt a strategic approach. They should focus on basic structured studies to cover the major and important section within this limited time. I believe that this course by Bonafide Law Academy will greatly assist you in achieving a good preparation within this short span of time. So without any further delay, let's move on our main lecture. According to section 26 of the CPC, every suit shall be instituted by the presentation of a plaint. Once the plaint is ready, it is to be filed in the court which has both pecuniary and territorial jurisdiction. To understand the classification and jurisdiction of the civil court, we need to look at the Civil Courts Act 1887. And according to section 3 of the Civil Courts Act 1887, there are 5 classes of civil courts in Bangladesh. They are District Judge Court, Additional District Judge Court, Joint District Judge Court, Senior Civil Judge Court and Civil Judge Court. Among these, the District Judge and the Joint District Judge have the highest pecuniary jurisdiction. And according to section 18 of the Civil Courts Act 1887, the pecuniary jurisdiction of the District Judge and Joint District Judge shall extend from Taka 25 lakh and above with no upper limit. And according to section 19 of the Civil Courts Act 1887, the pecuniary jurisdiction of the civil judge shall extend from Taka 1 to 15 lakh. On the other hand, the senior civil judge has jurisdiction up to 25 lakh Taka. It is very important to note that section 19 does not say that the senior civil judge's jurisdiction starts from Taka 15 lakh and 1 Taka. Rather, it simply says that it ups to 25 lakh Taka. Now I am going to solve an important question. Where should we file a suit if the value of the property is Taka 25 lakh and 1 Taka, or if the value of the property is above 25 lakh Taka? According to section 15 of the Code of Civil Procedure, every suit shall be instituted in the court of the lowest grade competent to try it. That means, even though the district judge has the authority, we should file the suit in the court of the joint district judge, because it is the lowest competent court capable of trying a suit of that valuation. So, according to section 15 of the Code of Civil Procedure, we can generally say that the district judge does not have original jurisdiction in civil matters. Now, The question is arises, can the district judge never exercise original jurisdiction? The answer of this question is, in certain special cases like patent, trademark and copyright, the district judge can directly exercise his original jurisdiction. So, we can finally say that the district judge does not have original jurisdiction in ordinary civil suits, but some special cases like patent, trademark, copyright or company matters, the district judge can exercise his original jurisdiction. Now, we will discuss the territorial jurisdiction of the civil court, and section 16 to section 20 deals with the territorial jurisdiction of the civil courts. According to section 16 of the Code of Civil Procedure, every suit related to immovable property shall be instituted in the court within whose local limits the property is situated. For example, number 1, suits for ownership or possession of land. Number 2, partition of immovable property. Number 3, damages related to immovable property. Number 4, redemption or foreclosure of mortgage, etc. All must be filed in the court that has jurisdiction over the area where the property is located. Now, we will discuss section 17 of the Code of Civil Procedure, and section 17 provides that when immovable property is situated within the territorial limits of 2 or more courts, the plaintiff may file the suit in any one of those courts that has jurisdiction. For example, if a piece of land is partly in Dhaka district and partly in Gazipur district, the case can be filed in either Dhaka or Gazipur court. After section 17, now we will discuss section 18 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Section 18 provides that where it is uncertain within which of 2 or more courts the property is situated, the plaintiff may file the suit in any of those courts. The main distinction between section 17 and section 18 is that section 17 applies where the property lies in several areas, while section 18 applies where the exact area or jurisdiction is uncertain. Now, we will discuss section 19 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Section 19 provides that where a wrong is done to a person or to movable property in one place and the defendant resides or carries on business in another, the suit may be instituted at either place. After section 19, now we will discuss section 20 of the Code of Civil Procedure. Section 20 provides that other suits to be instituted where the defendants resides or cause of action arises. Today, we have gained a clear understanding of the structure of civil courts and the jurisdiction of civil courts. In the next session, we will discuss another topic. But before concluding my lecture, I would like to remind you once again about our offer. Bonafide Law Academy has organized a special English version online short course for the upcoming Bar Council MCQ examinees, and this English version online short course has been designed for British law students, barristers and students of the private universities. The classes will start from 1st May of 2026 and 30 classes will be held in this course. Each class shall be provided with a separate lecture sheet, and all classes will be held through Zoom meeting, and recordings of all sessions will also be provided. Thanks to all.